Button belts have been all over my Pinterest feed. Welcome to my series, I Can Make That, where I show you guys it's possible to make anything. The most important part of our project is our button selection. What colour theme are you guys going to go for? Let me know in the comments, but this is my selection and this is my lineup. We want our belts to be durable, so using a thicker thread is a must. The thread I'm using is a typical embroidery thread that you can get at your local sewing shop, but to be specific, just type this in Google and you'll find it. Next, we need to calculate the correct thread length. So to do this, we need to measure our waist, add 50 centimeters and then times it by 2. And this is because we're going to fold the thread in half so that there's a loop at the top. You also need to make sure that your biggest button fits through the loop. Then we're going to take the two ends of the thread and we're going to attach 2 needles. We're doing this so that it makes it easier for us to get all of our buttons onto our belt. Now I'm going to show you guys in detail how to securely add each button. So first you take one side of the thread and go up through one of the holes. And then you take your other thread and go in the opposite direction. So now we're going downwards through the same hole. And that creates a tight loop around either side of the button. And then you take the other needle and go down through the other hole. You take your other side of the thread and you now go in the opposite direction up through the hole. And then you pull the string so it's tight around the button. After that, you just tie a knot using both sides at the bottom. And there you have it. It was really simple and quick to make. And I hope you guys give this DIY a try and let me know how it goes in the comment section.